Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change ringtone and notification sound on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro and now you want to change notification sound or phone ringtone on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings app. From here, just scroll down and look for sounds and notifications. Here's the sound and vibration option, just tap on it. And then you just have to scroll down again. From here, just select phone ringtone, tap on it, and here you will get a list of ringtones which you have. These are your system ringtone, but if you want to add your personal, you just have to select custom ringtone, and here you will get your gallery audios which you can easily set as your phone ringtone. Here's the SIM1 ringtone and SIM2 ringtone. You can easily select which one you have. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and it will be selected. Now go back, look for notification ringtone, tap on it, and here you'll get a lot of ringtones which you can select. Here's the custom ringtone, you can also select custom ringtone. So you just have to select the ringtone which you want to set as, and after selecting you just have to go back and your notification ringtone has been selected. So that's how you can easily select custom ringtones or notification sounds on your Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.